My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the fake pop-ups, fake security alerts that come from the site Kingeu.click. Kingeu.click is a very deceptive site that may unexpectedly attack your browser. It tries to make you think that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. It then tries to encourage you to download some potentially unwanted software, some fake cleaner, and because of that, you may be forced to simply download and install some potentially unwanted software. So, speaking about these pop-ups by Kingeu.click, don't interact with them. Don't install anything that they suggest. Such pop-ups may be the result of some adware in your computer. So first thing we recommend you to do is checking the control panel and uninstall the programs that are suspicious. If you find them, get rid of them. I also recommend that you additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly remain on your computer. So go to the website combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the application and begin carefully researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats fully from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.